Buddy, look what I got.
So I drove 1,000 miles out here to get it put on.
So we're gonna get it put on.
There you go.
And I gotta leave in 30 minutes.
Yep, we gotta have it done in 30 minutes so we can get it back on the road.
Well, let's go.
Well, you're
Go
still
team.
sitting here. Stupid. Is this OSHA approved?
They said get solar, it'd be fun. Back a little bit. The whole thing.
You wanna do it?
While I'm watching it.
No rush.
Well, take your time.
And time. Fail.
Failure. We're total failures.
Losers.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
I'm Twyla.
We are the Runaway Parents. Got my good buddy.
Larry, if you knew.
You know, Larry got his solar put in his camper. He absolutely loves it, right?
A lot of solar.
A huge amount of solar. More than us in solar.
Thanks, Twyla.
That's the truth. He's scooting me out of the, he's scooting me.
Anyway, he's got a little bit of solar on his roof. And he's wanting to go with a more efficient air conditioner, right?
Correct.
So I'm running the Greenland TURBRO, the TURBRO Greenland AC in my camper. And it is running absolutely flawless. When it gets the camper down to temperature, it's pulling like 600-700 watts. I love it, absolutely love it. I think it's probably the most efficient inverter air conditioner for a solar system. If you're running on solar and that's your game, that's your plan, you know, top AC. So I reached out to him and told him that I had a good buddy of mine that I wanted to install the TURBRO Greenland Inverter AC in. And they were kind enough to send me one and I would do a video on it. So got back a hold of Larry and said, buddy, look what I got.
So I drove 1,000 miles out here to get it put on.
So we're gonna get it put
There
on.
you
But I
go.
gotta leave in 30 minutes.
Yep, we gotta have it done in 30 minutes so we can get it back on the road.
You got a hot date.
It's definitely hot, I know that.
We're gonna get up there, we're gonna pull the old AC off. So we're gonna have it off and ready. And I think within 30 minutes, we can get this one installed and complete it and running and ready to go.
Well, let's go.
Well, you're
Go
still
team.
sitting here. Stupid.
We got Larry up there right now. Now I'm gonna get this put up on a scaffold, hand it off to him, and we're gonna get the inside done.
Come on, time's ticking. Y'all done wasted 4 minutes. You got 26 minutes left. Babe, you got it.
Man, telling y'all, this air conditioner weighs, what was it, Larry, 370 pounds?
Ounces. He said ounces. You're just telling me a lie. Get on up that ladder. Hurry up. Come on. Don't need to see you flexing and all that. Oh, I'm scared. There, and then two guys are a team, boy. Is this OSHA approved?
Only thing making it difficult is all these solar panels.
Yeah, y'all. This is what he has. They said get solar, it'd be fun. Back a little bit. The whole thing.
You want to do it?
Well, I'm watching it. I'm watching it. You let Daddy tell you. We can line it up inside.
Good teamwork. I just got a hold here.
Superhero! Whew. All right, we got the roof unit in. Now we're gonna cheat just a little bit. All right, we're separating these two. That came off the old unit. So what we're gonna be able to do with this, so we're just gonna take this and come through the gland, feed them up. All right, we're gonna wire nut the green and yellow. That's your ground. Then white to white and black to black. Easy peasy. In normal circumstances, you'd be in the camper trying to hold this up, but I do like the idea of that little plug. Works out pretty good. Tuck them back in there. Like so. Put your door back on.
Let's go on inside and get the inside done.
Now, one thing you can't forget on the TURBRO, these foam plenum, we call it plenum blocks. They come with different thicknesses for different thickness roofs. Pretty simple. You just peel that off. That hole right there, you see going through it? That's your plenum box. Line it up with that hole. That's your communication wires right there. You really can't mess it up, but I shouldn't say that. I'm sure some people can. And that's going to be the freeze sensor. And there's our 120. Everything can tuck back up in this opening right here. That's not where your air comes out. Your air's coming out right here.
I've got sweat rolling down my face that I wish I could wipe away. No rush.
Well, take your time. You know, why is it that when I go to my toolbox, I know where the sockets are, but I start at the top drawer and I open
I
them
don't
all?
know. Let's talk about it. I mean,
Well,
I feel like it's a good conversation.
I'm just gonna sell that toolbox since you don't use it. All right, you got 11 minutes and 26 seconds left.
All right.
We got power.
36 seconds left. And time. Failed.
Failure. We're total failures.
Losers.
But the cool thing I like about it, it's Wi-Fi, app controlled.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah, you can set to your Starlink, your Wi-Fi, and can control it anywhere. You can be anywhere. You turn your AC on or off, the temperature.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Left. I think we're done.
She done.
She's done.
Well, we didn't set the clock on it.
Oh.
Oh, set the clock. You still got 4 minutes left.
No.
The clock setting takes 6 minutes. There you go. That is the TURBRO Greenland Inverter AC. It's basically, honest to God, it's a mini, the technology of a mini split and a rooftop AC. I'm thoroughly impressed with it on our camper. Absolutely love it. You're gonna love it too.
He's got a new toy.
I've just been making it beep while you're talking.
Can't win,
ASMR.
y'all. I can't win.
No, the lights are cool. I like it.
So his fridge, lights, and DC and everything is running. Showing 1250 right now. So actuality, he's probably pulling 1,000 to 1,100.
My other AC was on with everything else. It was normally about 1,400, a little bit more than 1,400. So it's already pulling less.
Yeah. And it being an inverter AC, no soft start required.
Yeah, and you were saying before, what, they ramp down a little bit and just keep the cool
Yep.
once it reaches temperature. So
Yep, absolutely.
that'll use up way less power.
Yeah, in my camper, I'll see mine run down to 650, 700 watts. It just maintains the temperature in your camper. Unlike your regular AC, they'll shut off, temperature will fall, they'll kick back on and full power, you know?
Yeah.
So these just maintain a steady draw, which I can attest, I'm thoroughly impressed with mine. I think you're gonna love yours.
Thanks.
All right, so that's gonna wrap up our TURBRO install. Larry, you're gonna be happy with it, my brother. I like it.
I'm already happy with it. It's nice.
You better be happy. So if y'all are interested in the TURBRO AC, we will leave a link in the description. Y'all go check it out. You'll like it, I promise.